Good morning. Good morning.
Hi.
Hi, Smiley Kid.
Hi.
Hey. What have you found? What did you find? What did you find? Hey? High five. Clap, clap. Good boy. Do you want the phone, do you? Get your goobies off it. We don't want goobies on the phone. Hey! You can't eat it. You can't eat it. If you eat it, we won't be able to see what's going on.
He doesn't care.
No, you can't have it. You can't have. Sorry. Did you find your fist on the pillow, did you? Did you? Says, Daddy, why are you holding this thing in front of me? It's so funny. It's like he finds his fist on the cushion and then looks at it and puts it in his mouth.
Hit him. Hit him. Hey, buddy. No, we do.
Hey, Adam. Hello. Hello.